We've got breaking news coming in on the news track from sources in the income tax department who've given out reasons behind the income tax raids on these Bollywood personalities, stars and film directors. Now the point that's being made is that there's one against Phantom Films shareholders, and the second case is against Taapsee Pannu. Taapsee Pannu's company is suspected to have evaded income tax to the tune of about 25 crores. She's alleged to have accepted about 5 crores in cash. Now remember, all of this is essentially what the income tax department is telling us off camera, off record, but suggesting that these are the reasons why these raids have been carried out. This will need to be established in a court of law, and Taapsee, of course, will have the opportunity, as will Anurag Kashyap, to present their point of view. I want to go across to Divesh Singh. He tracks investigations for us in Mumbai. Arvind Doja is our lead crime reporter, tracks the income tax department in Delhi very closely. Divesh, to you first. Now, these look like sensational charges leveled by the income tax department, put out in the public domain as a justification for these raids. But what is the quality of the evidence to substantiate what's being said? Divesh Singh.
Rahul, the primary evidence that the income tax department found, only after that a detailed investigation was done, and after that these searches were conducted. They found that to the tune of around 25 crore rupees have been evaded in income tax by Taapsee Pannu and her company, and she's accepted rupees 5 crores in cash. Also, they found details that some data has been wiped off, some data has been deleted from the mobile phones of Anurag Kashyap, Taapsee Pannu and others, which will be retrieved using experts by the income tax department. Remember, they have created 2 copies of the data that they've copied from the laptops, from the mobile phones, from hard disks of their systems, and they've created 2 copies. One copy remains to be sealed, and another copy will be a working copy which will be used for further evaluation of what kind of evasion actually has happened. But as of now, they've found that the suspected evasion that has happened in terms of Taapsee Pannu and her company is to the tune of around rupees 25 crores, while Phantom Films and the shareholders in Phantom Films, they have duped income tax, they have evaded income tax to the tune of rupees 600 crores. They have produced exaggerated bills, exaggerated expenditures have been shown, fake bogus bills have been submitted. These are they are considering, the income tax department is considering 2 instances where the company generated money. One through the films that they made, films that they produced and were sold. Another through the stake sale that happened in Phantom Films. The money that was generated through the stake sale, the profits that were generated, they did not end up paying income tax for that, and that is why the amount is so huge. It goes up to rupees 600 crores. As of now, income tax department is conducting searches at various locations. All the shareholders, which includes Anurag Kashyap, Vikramaditya Motwane, Madhu Mantena, Vikas Bahal and various others who've been associated with them, their residences and offices are still being searched, and sources and income tax department say that these searches might go on tomorrow as well. As of now, the questioning of Anurag Kashyap and Taapsee Pannu is happening at a hotel in Pune. It is because they were shooting for a film in Pune together, but these are 2 different cases. Taapsee Pannu is being questioned in another room. Yesterday, preliminary questioning of Taapsee Pannu and Anurag Kashyap happened, while today again they are being questioned with the data that they have retrieved from their devices, from their mobile phones, from their laptops, and the evidence that they already had while conducting primary investigations in the case. Rahul?
So Arvind Doja, ये बड़े सेंसेशनल चार्जेस हैं कि अनुराग कश्यप की कंपनी फैंटम फिल्म्स ने 600 करोड़ रुपए की अपेरेंटली टैक्स इवेजन की, बोगस बिल्स बनाए, एक्सपेंडिचर को बढ़ा चढ़ा के दिखाया. क्या पुख्ता सबूत है इनकम टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट के पास? क्योंकि जो पहले बॉलीवुड पे छापे पड़े थे, जिसमें दीपिका पादुकोण वगैरह को बुलाया गया था, राकुलप्रीत को, उसमें हल्ला तो बहुत हुआ, एंड में कुछ हुआ नहीं. तो क्या ये इनकम टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट द्वारा उन लोगों के खिलाफ कार्रवाई है जिन्होंने पब्लिकली सरकार के खिलाफ लाइन ली है, या वाकई में इनकम टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट को लग रहा है कि कोई सबूत है? क्योंकि एनसीबी का केस तो काफी हद तक फ्लैट हो गया था बाद में.
जी बिल्कुल राहुल, और आपको बताऊं कि लगातार जो पॉलिटिकल बयान सियासत भी इस पर हो रही है रेड पर। 40 घंटे से नॉन स्टॉप रेड जारी है, लेकिन इनकम टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट ने जो जानकारी दी है उन्होंने बताया है कि 2 प्रोडक्शन हाउस, 2 टैलेंट मैनेजमेंट कंपनी और एक बॉलीवुड अभिनेत्री तापसी पन्नू है। लेकिन आपको बताऊं इंटरेस्टिंग ये है कि ये 2 प्रोडक्शन कंपनी, टैलेंट मैनेजमेंट कंपनी और तापसी पन्नू जिनकी बात कर रहे हैं, कहीं ना कहीं ये सारी कनेक्टिविटी सभी एक दूसरे को जानते हैं और ये कंपनियां एक दूसरे से कनेक्ट है। इनकम टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट ने कहा है कि 350 करोड़ की टैक्स चोरी की जानकारी उनको मिली है अभी तक, जो 40 घंटे का रेड हुआ उसमें। इनकम टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट का ये भी कहना है कि ये जो 350 करोड़ की हमें जानकारी मिली है उसके बारे में हमने प्रोडक्शन कंपनियों के ऑफिशियल से जानकारी मांगी कि ये कहां से आए पैसे, लेकिन कोई सही जानकारी नहीं मिली है। इनकम टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट का कहना है कि जो वास्तविक जो कमाई है और जो शेयर होल्डर्स हैं उनमें गड़बड़ी पाई गई। इनकम टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट का कहना है कि 28 जगह पर यह रेड की गई है। क्वान कंपनी के 7 जो बैंक खाते हैं उनको सीज किया गया है, और जैसा कि एनसीबी में का आपने जिक्र किया वहां पर भी व्हाट्सएप चैट आया था। यहां पर भी इनकम टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट अब ये कहने लगी है कि व्हाट्सएप चैट सीज किए हमने, डॉक्यूमेंट्स हमने सीज किए हैं। लेकिन इनकम टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट का ऑफिशियली तौर पर यह कहना है कि 350 करोड़ की टैक्स चोरी के बारे में हमें जानकारी मिली। उसका ऑफिशियलों से पूछा, जितने भी अफसर हैं कंपनी के उनसे पूछा गया, वही कोई जवाब नहीं दे पाए। नंबर 2 जो निर्माता निर्देशक है अनुराग कश्यप, 20 करोड़ की टैक्स चोरी सीधी पाई गई है। तापसी पन्नू के में भी सेम पाई गई है। उसके अलावा 5 करोड़ की कैश रिसिप्ट तापसी पन्नू के पास से मिली है, उसकी भी छानबीन की जा रही है। तो ये तमाम जो इनकम टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट है उनका कहना है कि 28 जगह पर रेड की गई है, जिसमें हैदराबाद, पुणे और मुंबई शामिल है। अभी भी रेड जारी है। इनकम टैक्स का ये दावा है, ये बड़े खुलासे इनकम टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट कर रही है। लेकिन अब आने वाले दिनों में क्या हश्र होगा, जिस तरह से आपने बोला एनसीबी या ईडी का, वो देखना काफ़ी दिलचस्प है। लेकिन फिलहाल 48 घंटे बाद इनकम टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट ने अपनी खामोशी तोड़ी है। उनका कहना है कि उन्हें काफ़ी ज़्यादा एविडेंस मिले हैं जो मुंबई में और हैदराबाद और पुणे में रेड किया है उसके दौरान।
Pia Hingorani joins us. She tracks Bollywood for the India Today network. Pia, how are cine stars and others in Bollywood reacting to these charges and the kind of money that's being mentioned by the income tax sources? 600 crores in the case of Anurag Kashyap, 25 crores in the case of Taapsee Pannu. Does she even earn that kind of money?
Well, Rahul, let me first begin with the fact that, Bollywood is not very pleased with, whatever is happening right now. While a lot of people have chosen not to speak about it, we have a few people like Swara Bhaskar, we have Anurag Kashyap's really good friend Neeraj Gewan, and we have, Anubhav Sinha, who have actually gone ahead and have been very vocal about it on social media, condemning the entire situation. They're not happy with it. And from what we're learning, the pulse of Bollywood also, at the moment, they feel that it is extremely unnecessary. But yes, the numbers are huge. We do know that Taapsee does about 3 to 4 films in a year, but the amount that she earns, versus the amount that is being quoted by the IT cell, that is, that you can see a huge discrepancy in that as well. So it'll be interesting to see going forward what really, transpires and, what they actually come up with in terms of evidence.
Okay, evidence is key. After what happened with the Narcotics Control Bureau, Rakul Preet, Deepika Padukone, I think the key is not these charges. The charges matter very little. Ultimately, can they prove it in a court of law? Can they prove it before a judge? Or, as we saw in the case of the charges levied against Riya Chakravarti, for example, it came crashing after a month in a court of law. You're innocent till you're proven guilty. The Income Tax Department has carried out these raids as they are entitled to. Now they must prove it in a court of law, and not because these people took positions which the government of the day didn't like. This is where I want to thank Pia Hingorani, Divesh and Arvind Oja for joining us. Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.